Good morning, good morning, good morning on this MJ Monday. But no, it's not an MJ cop. I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in yesterday on my impromptu live. Hate I had to cut it short. Just trying to catch up. Kids and stuff about to go back to school. So it's about to get hectic around here. So if I haven't caught people's videos, I will be catching the replay and responding accordingly. As we on our road to 3K this week, we got the Who Has the Heat back, and we have Tasha_Mac versus Flashy Girl 1185. I'll be getting the stuff out on IG. Follow me E_money_shoes. You looking for that merch, custom merch, trying to get that rolling, you can holler at the homie SNOOCHS Customs. Also, check out Money Run Clothing. Use code DWYL to get that 20% off the order. Also, go follow the team, PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF, 313 Retro. I put all this stuff in the description. Also, always shout out to the sisters Pam M and Princess Fame for help supporting the entire team. I put all that information in the description, so go give them a follow as well. So like I said, let's get right into it. This is going to be straight, no intro, no outro, straight, raw. Giving it to you, Lego. You got a Nike box. You see this Nike React Presto. My regular size is size 10, so I went true to size on these joints. Official colorway, white, Nike Maroon-Black. Suggested retail price, $120. And you see it got the QR code on there. And you can see it got this little weird thing too, like a RF. And you see it has the SKU. So you can run it, make sure ain't nobody trying to run the okie doke on you, right? And then in here, you got your stamper ramp. Always got that receipt on deck, because you know we play no games. Look at that, $62.82. Still on deck. You got your paper. You got your thing right here. You always know I like to do the left shoe. So we always do it. Ain't gonna be no effects, but hear that slam? Look at that shoe. That's that Charlotte Hornets colorway, or have a Nike Day colorway, but this is a banger. If you're looking for an 8-hour shoe, this is the shoe for you. The Nike Air Presto React joints. As you can see, you got that Nike React right there. Very, very soft and bouncy. So it's white. So that's the only drawback to it, because you already know all white is a wrap. You got your black in the back. You got your check right there. Coming around on the toe, you see you got your P. I think the P is for Presto, if I ain't mistaken. And then you got your check right there. You got this material, kind of like a nylon breather material. You got your purple swoosh right here. Very, very dope. You got your nylon here. You got your white laces with those purple tips, kind of look violet or whatever may have you. Then on the tongue, you got hits of black. And it's pretty stretchable material here. Very breathable. Coming around on the side, you got that like that turquoise blue with that purple hit here. You got a purple hit here as well. In the back, you got your pull tab to help you get the shoe on, so you won't be rolling around all on the floor. And actually, look at this, kind of like a little happy face or some type of face, right? They just done them. And you got your 5 stars or 5 dots, and you got these 2 big dots here. So just a vision of some type of space face on there, right? And then this might be a little bit of reflection on the pull tab. I'm not exactly sure, because I didn't turn on the light. And on the side here, you got Presto as well on the medium side. Very, very dope shoe, especially on foot. I should do it because it really pops. And then here you can see you got your purple with your green. Also, you got your QR code as well in here. So if you don't believe it on the outside, check it out on the inside. The production date is 2/20/19 to 4/3/19. You don't see anything else inside the shoe but your paper. So you don't have shoe trees and all of that stuff. So I think this is a very, very dope shoe. So on the little meter, I would give this shoe a 4.6 out of 5 because, like I said, very foot friendly shoe. Definitely a shoe you can just wear and rock and don't have to worry about comfort. So you guys let me know what you think about it. If you got them, would this be a go or would this be a pass for you? So just remember, we on the road to 3K. I haven't forgot about the giveaway. Just like I always said, I'm waiting for the show to be over and it's gonna be on, and stay tuned for the rules once we get everything done. So remember, it's hashtag brick by brick. We're on the road to 3K. I think we're like maybe 120 before we get to 3K. So tell a family member, friend, come check it out. It's all love over here. Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.